Let's talk cucumbers. You bring home those beautiful, firm green cucumbers, full of promise, ready for salads, dips, or just a refreshing snack. But then, a few days later, they're not so beautiful anymore. It's sad, and it happens to tons of cucumber every single month. But don't worry. Today, we're running a side-by-side test with 3 popular storage methods to find out once and for all how to keep both whole and pre-sliced cucumbers crisp and fresh for longer. To keep things fair, I'm starting with cucumbers from the same batch, but each will be stored in a different way. For the first method, we'll leave a whole cucumber on the countertop. Since pre-sliced cucumbers are so handy for snacking or meal prep, we'll also test the best ways to store slices. First, I washed the cucumbers thoroughly under cool running water. This helps remove any dirt on the skin that could transfer inside once the cucumber is cut. You can gently rub them with your hands or use a clean vegetable brush. After drying, I sliced each cucumber into about 4 pieces. A few of these slices were then left out on the counter for method 1. For method 2, we're trying the popular paper towel wrap method. This one's all about moisture control. I wrapped the cucumber in a fresh paper towel, which acts like a wick, absorbing any extra moisture that could cause mold or slime. Then I slipped the bundle into a zip-top bag. But here's the trick. I left it open. A fully sealed bag can trap moisture and turn it swampy. Finally, the wrapped cucumber went into the fridge's crisper drawer. We followed the same procedure for the cucumber slices. For method 3, we're testing full water submersion. I placed the cucumbers in a glass jar, then completely covered them with cool tap water before sealing the lid tightly. I did the same with cucumber slices as well. The idea here is simple but effective. The cold water creates a barrier that prevents dehydration, and it also reduces oxygen exposure, which slows down spoilage. These jars went straight into the fridge's crisper drawer. We also tried a slight variation for the slices. Instead of water, we simply packed the cucumber slices into a glass jar, sealed it tightly, and placed it in the fridge. The idea here is oxygen control. The sealed jar dramatically limits how much air can reach the slices. We checked on all the cucumbers at 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, and again at 7 days to compare results. After day 1, all 3 cucumbers still look pretty good. The cucumber stored on the counter was slightly less firm with a few sunken spots. The edges of those exposed slices began to curl, looking less like a fresh garden veggie and more like cheap, slightly sad curling ribbon. I checked on the versions stored in the fridge. There was no significant changes in the paper towel-wrapped cucumbers. The water-stored cucumber looked fresh and juicy. All the slices looked pretty good and crisp. If you're enjoying this video and will love to see more helpful tips like this, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything I upload. And also hit the like button. It's a free way of supporting us. I know you will enjoy being here with all the helpful tips I will be uploading. By day 3, the differences were much noticeable. The counter-stored whole cucumber was noticeably softer, and the skin was starting to wrinkle. It had also started to show signs of decay. The towel-wrapped cucumber still looked good and crunchy, though not quite as snappy as day 1. The water-stored cucumber was looking fresh and juicy, almost like it was freshly picked. The slices stored on the counter continued to bend without even a hint of cracking, a tragic indicator of its lost integrity. All the other slices were still holding up, with the water-stored slices feeling slightly softer. By day 5, the counter-stored cucumbers were a lost cause, wrinkled, soft, and clearly decaying. The paper towel-wrapped cucumber showed slight wrinkling, but was still holding up fairly well. Meanwhile, the water-stored cucumber looked impressively fresh, with no visible decay at all. For the slices, those left on the counter kept bending and showed obvious spoilage. The towel-wrapped slices stayed fresh and crisp, while the jar-stored slices were the standout, so crisp they even gave a satisfying snap when broken. On the other hand, the slices stored in water turned soft and lifeless, with almost no crunch left. The counter-stored cucumbers didn't even make it to day 7. They had to be tossed due to spoilage. By day 7, the towel-wrapped cucumber showed more wrinkling and even a few soft spots. The water-stored cucumber still looked surprisingly fresh, though it seemed to have absorbed some of the surrounding water. For the slices, both the paper towel-wrapped and the jar-stored ones held up well, showing no signs of decay. In contrast, the water-stored slices kept getting softer and had completely lost their crunch. Now to the verdict. For whole cucumbers, the paper towel wrap was unequivocally the winner. I sliced into them, and it still looked fresh and crisp after 7 days. The paper towel kept them beautifully crisp for a full week. It effectively managed the surface moisture while keeping the cucumber cool, slowing down respiration and preventing dehydration without creating a soggy mess. When I sliced into the water-stored cucumbers, it looked wet. This is because, when cucumber is stored in water, the water moves into the cucumber through its cells, which causes the cucumber to become waterlogged, lose crispness, and eventually diluting the cucumber's flavor. Thus, while cucumbers contain a lot of water, storing them submerged in water can overhydrate them. For the slices, both the jar method and paper towel wrap were the best. They still gave a good crunch and looked great after 7 days. So there you have it, the definitive guide to keeping your cucumbers crisp, backed by our rigorous week-long test. Subscribe for more food experiments, drop your own tried-and-true hacks in the comments below, and share with a friend who needs help with storing cucumbers. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.